So here we are with the circuit. The LCD is connected to the pin number 2 to 7 of the Arduino. The green LEDs are connected to the pin number 8 and 9, and the red LEDs are connected to the pin number 11 and 12. Also, the temperature sensor is being connected to the A5 pin of the Arduino. Fine. So uh, the temperature sensor basically gives the values or changes values in the Celsius. So we are taking 49 degrees Celsius as the pivot point. As mentioned, 120 Fahrenheit was the pivot point. So on conversion to that into Celsius, it's 48.889. So we are taking that to as a 49 degrees Celsius. So let's see the simulation. So as we see, since the temperature is less, like we are having 25 degrees Celsius, so the green LEDs are blinking and it's displayed on the LCD. Sun is far. As we shift this up to around 40 to 50, you can see the change that the red LEDs are now blinking and we are getting the message sun is near. Now this change is being like updated every 8 seconds. So we can just have this code and we can just change if we want to have. The pattern will be changed over here. When we are having the code, the delay will be there for the LEDs to show the blinking up. We can change accordingly to that to have a 8-second delay. Fine. Okay, this was the circuit. Thanks for watching.